Look at me. Okay. Yeah.
That's so funny. Now that you have seen that weird scene, my dog being a statue, I want to tell you now, me and Caleb are going to share an account. Get off of it.
It's mine. Joy. She's gonna pass out. Sorry. Sometimes that happens, and you gotta let him pass out. Good. I'm glad you care. Oh, now she's dead. You know, it's happy times. Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. See you later. Bye. Followers.
This is Carly.
I'm Kayla. I'm Zeno.
And comment down below.
Well, should me and her make videos together, which we are every once in a while, but should I have my own account and Carly should have her own, or should we share one? I think we should have our own, because I'm awesomer. Yeah, who's awesomer?
I think that we should share one, because I think we're funnier together, and somehow the Google isn't working, so
So Krillama.
please let me
No!
see how we're funnier together.
You should read it, okay?
Yeah, my hand isn't long enough. Oh,
I hope you all have a good day.
no!
Have a bad one too. I love you so much. If you're a girl. Sorry, we didn't mean to fight. Accidents happen. See ya, followers.
Wait, I'm stuck.
Oh well. Caleb, stop the video.
Okay, so that was all. We are always going to be fake fighting. None of us get hurt.
Yeah, like right now. We're just gonna be having
See, that was
Yeah, okay.